How to make a reteaching form. We're going to go through some of the simple steps to create a reteaching video and add it to a Google form. First of all, when deciding to make your video, there are multiple options out there. The one I'm using today is Screencastify. If you like to annotate and write and do problems, I've also used GoodNotes quite a bit and connect my iPad to the computer so that you can use your Apple Pencil to annotate. So let's talk about the actual Screencastify. It's an app that you can add to your toolbar up here. And when you go to the screencasting app, you're just going to click, it's not going to let me show it right now because I'm actually in a recording, but you would just click on the app and hit to start the recording. And then it's going to show anything that is on your screen. Once you have created the videos, then it will go to a place like this called My Recordings. If you click on one of the videos that you've made, then you can go to this button where it says Share. If you hit Share to YouTube and you've got your channel and you hit OK, then that is going to start uploading your video to YouTube. Then once you go to YouTube and you click on your channel, the video will be there for you to use. Okay. Another option that we have talked about is using Edpuzzle. Let's say that the video that I've just created here, I want to embed that into Edpuzzle. So I'm going to copy the link here, and when I go over to Edpuzzle, I click on YouTube and I paste the link in there, and it's got the video that I made. Now, there's several options here. You can crop the video. Let's say you found a video online that you wanted to use, but it was too long and you wanted to shorten it. You just pull these bars here and it will shorten the video for you. Another option that you can do is a voiceover. Let's say that you found a video that you really like the graphics on, but maybe it goes a little bit too much in depth for what you're wanting to talk about, or it doesn't really actually cover exactly what you want to say, then you can have it, you can talk over top of the video. The thing that we have used the most is the quizzes option. Okay, so let's say we've had some issues with our students not watching the video to the end. So I can add a quiz question that is required for the students to answer, and that can be linked directly to your Google Classroom. Then once that is finished, then you can click here to public links. You can copy that link and you can have that to embed into your form. All right, so now let's get to actually building the form. When you go to a new Google form, you're going to want to make sure that up here in the settings that you change it to quizzes. So we want to make the form a quiz. So that's going to give you the option to be able to put it in an answer key. For the sake of time, I'm going to go over here to one that I've already created. I like to start with the learning target. Since my partner and I both share these forms, we ask them to put which classroom they're in and which teacher they have. Now you can see here's the link to the Edpuzzle video that they're going to watch. And now we're going to add some practice questions. But this is the part that Google really makes the options where you can take this form to another level. If you click these three buttons down here at the bottom corner, it says go to section based on answer. When you do that, if the student gets the question correct, it's going to take them to the next section, which would be question 2. But let's say the student picked the wrong answer. Then if you go to this arrow here, you can do a drop-down menu of all the different sections that you've made. Well, I'm going to click for it to go to review question number 1. So if they clicked combustion for this answer, which is incorrect, it's going to take them down to a little video that I've made here that reviews about how carbon dioxide is removed from the atmosphere. The way you add one of those videos, let me just take this one off and I'll show you how to upload one. You would just go to your little arrow here, add video. I would come over here to YouTube, go to my channel. Here's my recordings that I have made. And this is the video I want to use. So I'm going to copy that link. Come back over here to my form. I'm going to paste that, hit search. There's my video that I made. I select it, and it's automatically put into my form. And I did the same thing for the other questions. Once you've got one of these made, it's really nice because once you've mapped it out, you can copy and paste your questions in and not have to redo all of these linking. You'll notice that at the bottom, you can choose for it to go to a specific section after that section. So here, after the questions, I've got it going to the next section. But on my review, after they've watched this video, see I say go to question 1. So that's going to send them back up to that question. So let me just show you real quick what it looks like from their view. All right, so this would be where I would click on the video. It's going to redirect them to the video. And I can start watching that. And I have my questions to go to. Once I'm finished with the video, I'm going to go back to the form. I'm going to hit next. Here's my first question. Remember, we know that the correct answer is photosynthesis here, but let's say I choose combustion and I hit next. All right, I got that question wrong. So now I'm going to listen to this video. I hit next, and it takes me back to that question again so that I've got a chance to correct my answer. Once I correct it, now it has taken me to question 2. This allows the student to get immediate feedback. You are able to be doing multiple retests during one class period. I know that many teachers have used this as station teaching. Basically, it's like cloning yourself and having a co-teacher in the classroom without actually having that person there. So this has been a very useful tool for us. Again, remember, after you've made the videos, you're going to upload it to YouTube, and then you have the option to use Edpuzzle if you want a little bit more accountability for the students. And then once you've made those, you can take those to the Google form and create your reteaching form for the students. I hope this has helped, and